All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, responsive web design, learn HTML forms by building a registration form, step 41. As you can hear, this one definitely has different audio quality. That's because this one's a redo, just letting you know. All right, so let's get to it. With form submissions, it is useful and good practice to provide each submittable element with a name attribute. This attribute is used to identify the element in the form submission. So now we're going to give each submittable element a unique name attribute of our choosing, except for the two radio inputs. All right. So basically anything that has input is where we're going to put this name thing, except for where the radio buttons are. So it's going to be personal account, business account. Those are the ones that we're not going to do. So this one and this one here. So let's start off with this one. We'll just say name like this, name equals, and then some quotes. And then we'll copy this. And because it's hard to look through when we go back through, we'll just name them while we go. So we'll say first name right here. And then we'll go to this last one, name right here and put, we'll put inside here, last name like that. And then we've got this email. So we'll come right here and put, whoops, we'll put email. And then now we've got password in this input. And so we'll put in here password. All right. So now we're on to the radio buttons. We're going to skip those. And now we're on to the terms and conditions. So we'll come right here and put terms. We don't need to go too crazy with that one. Let's come down here. And now we're at, let's see, input for profile picture. So we'll just put picture in this one. So we'll say picture. And we've got input ID number. So we'll come here. This is going to be age. So we'll put age like that. And then we've got this select ID. So when we get to this one right here, how did we hear about us? What we're going to do is put it right after this select ID. And we're going to say refer. So refer like that. And that's because it's not an input, but since it's a select, that's a kind of input, right? So we're going to come down here and we've got this placeholder. So it's this box right here, this text area. That's a kind of input also. So we're going to put in there a name and we're going to just put it text. How about that? All right, so let's check it. Looks good and submit it. All right. Now we're on to step 42 and we'll see you next time.